Hey guys, it's me Elise, and I hope that you guys are all doing well. I'm back with a new video. So I have a new wig from Julia Hair, and I'll leave all the information and details in the info section below. So here's everything that I received with my wig, including this new ultra thin wig cap. Now this wig cap is super thin and it's supposed to give you the best ball cap. So if you're someone who does the ball cap method, you will receive one of these with your wig. So I'm going to go ahead and get into this wig. The wig that I have is their 13 by 4 inch lace frontal wig. It's in that jerry curl texture. My wig is 24 inches long, 150% density. It also has that transparent lace. This wig also comes with this removable adjustable strap, so therefore you can get a custom fit as well as a glueless application, so you don't have to use any adhesives or anything like that. So before I go ahead and install this wig, I'm just going to go ahead and customize it per usual. I'm going in with my BW2 powder along with my 30 volume developer. I'm going to go ahead and bleach my knots. So if you're interested in this wig or anything else you see on Julia Hair, definitely use my discount code to save an additional 20% off of your purchases. So use discount code YTB20 once again to save 20% off. And also do keep in mind that with Julia Hair, they have their buy now pay later option, so you can definitely use the afterpay just in case you can't afford it right now. So with this wig, I decided on just wearing it in a middle part. So I know it's like my go-to look, but I'm just literally running out of ideas on different styles to wear. So if you guys know of any, or you guys have something in mind for me, definitely let your girl know so I can get on this style train. But I'm just going to tweeze behind the hairline just to kind of take away some density. And then I'm going to redefine these curls.
Outside in the AMG, right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas around me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying like mine. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta, just threw on a hoodie, it's a screenshot. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now, I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in the AMG, right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas around me, right at it die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. I'm outside in it. Right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me.
So pretty much I've allowed this wig to just sit and air dry overnight, so it's completely dry. This is what it looks like. Once again, this wig does come with this removable adjustable strap, so I will be applying this wig without any adhesives. I'm going to be doing the glueless method, but before I do that, I'm just applying a little bit of foundation onto the lace just to get a better match, just because this transparent lace, it just really never really works with my skin tone. So applying a little bit of foundation will kind of get this wig to just blend in effortlessly with your skin tone. So this is what the wig looks like on. I'm going to fix the baby hairs. I just kind of like to lay the baby hairs while the hair is wet, just to kind of get like a mold, I guess you can say. But then I'll later on fix it just to make it look a little more presentable. So I'm going in with my extreme wet line gel just to really lay these baby hairs, so therefore it's touching skin. And then I'm going to apply a little bit of my powder foundation onto the part area, just so that we can just sort of make that pop, you know. So now I'm using my wax stick just to lay everything down, get rid of those flyaways, make everything look nice and flat, because my hair underneath the wig isn't braided up. I kind of been wearing my hair like in a blowout lately, so this is a good way in order to get your wig to look really nice and flat and realistic. Then I'm just kind of going in with my hot comb just to kind of get everything nice and tamed. But for the most part, this is what this wig is looking like. Y'all let me know what you guys think. Once again, this is their 13 by 4 inch lace frontal wig in the jerry curl texture. The wig that I have is 24 inches long, 150% density, and y'all, this wig is looking real thick, okay? For this to be 150 density, it's looking nice and full, yet not too full. It looks very realistic. This hair is super soft, minimal shedding, and for those of you guys who are beginners, you don't really have to do much to this wig in order to make it look nice. Of course, I did, however, you guys don't have to. And one day I'm going to do a video. I'm not going to do any work at all, just to let you guys see how it just comes together. So this is what this glueless application looks like. As you guys can see, I didn't use any glues or adhesives. The only thing I did was I laid the baby hairs, and it's completely removable. You don't have to commit to wearing this overnight. However, you notice how everything just melts right into the skin. It looks super realistic, and y'all, I'm just here for it. But once again, you guys do check out Julia Hair. I will have all the information and details in the info section below. And if you guys want to save 20% off of your purchases, be sure to use discount code YTB20 to save some cash. Once again, you guys, let me know what you guys think about this one. And yeah, I'll be talking to you guys on the next video. Have a safe holiday.
Don't get out of the way to no one long distance. I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it.